Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to send a reminder email from your Gmail. If you've ever needed to follow up on an important message but worried you might forget, this simple method using Google Tasks will help you stay on top of your inbox without missing a beat. First, open your web browser and head over to mail.google.com. Once you're there, sign into your Gmail account by entering your email address and clicking Next. Then type in your password and click Next again to access your inbox. Now, if there's a specific email you want to set a reminder for, go ahead and click on it to open it. This step is optional, but it helps keep context when you're creating your reminder task. Next, you'll need to open Google Tasks, which lives in the right sidebar of Gmail. Look up to the top right corner of your screen and click on the Google Apps grid. It's that icon with 9 little dots. From the menu that appears, select Tasks. This will open the Tasks panel directly in your Gmail sidebar, making it easy to manage reminders without leaving your inbox. In the Tasks panel, click on Add a Task. Here you'll type in a description for your reminder, something like reminder, follow up on project proposal, or whatever makes sense for the email you're tracking. This description helps you remember exactly what action you need to take. Now it's time to set when you want to be reminded. In the task details, click on Add Date or the date field that appears. Choose the due date and time when you want this reminder to pop up. This ensures the task will surface exactly when you need it. If your Gmail and Tasks integration supports it, you can even link the task directly back to the original email. This way, when the reminder comes due, you can click the email link inside the task to jump straight back to that message in Gmail. Once you've set everything up, save or close the task. Some versions have a save button, but if yours doesn't, simply closing the task panel will do the trick. To double-check that your reminder is set correctly, open the Tasks panel again and confirm the reminder exists with the right due date and time. And when you've finally completed your follow-up, just click the checkbox next to the task in Google Tasks to mark it as done. Thanks for watching.